Welcome to day 7 of 30 days to a bigger you. We have covered the surplus rule, the quality problem, skinny fat, metabolism, how big the surplus should be, and exactly how much protein you need. Today we make it real, 5 simple, practical strategies that will help you hit your calorie and protein targets every single day without turning your life upside down. Here is the hook: most people who fail to gain weight try to eat bigger portions of the same food. That strategy fails because satiety catches up within 2 weeks. The people who succeed are the ones who change the form, the frequency, and the density of their calories. You will not win a physique transformation with brute force. You will win with a better system. Funny moment: you know that person who meal prepped chicken and rice for a week, ate it all on day 1, and then ordered pizza for the next 6 days? That person was me. The problem is consistency, not motivation. Most hard gainers hit their target for a few days, then feel so full and defeated that they abandon the plan entirely. The strategies that actually work are the ones that fit into your existing life rather than the ones that demand you become a professional bodybuilder overnight. The NHS Healthy Ways to Gain Weight guidance from 2024 recommends calorie-dense foods to achieve surplus without extreme volume, which supports better long-term adherence. A 2025 clinical synthesis of the protein before sleep literature demonstrates that pre-bed protein increases overnight muscle protein synthesis. And bulking-focused nutrition consensus from 2024 to 2025 confirms that liquid calories, when nutrient-dense, deliver surplus energy with minimal satiety impact compared to solid food loads. 500 extra calories per day is a number that can transform your bulk. A single well-built smoothie with oats, peanut butter, whole milk, whey, and a banana can hit 500 clean calories in one glass. You do not need to cook 5 extra meals. You just need one excellent strategy applied consistently. Whey 1 is the mass gainer smoothie: blend oats, peanut butter, whole milk, whey, and fruit for 500 clean calories in minutes. Whey 2, split your food into 4 to 6 smaller meals so each sitting feels manageable. Whey 3, use any free calorie tracker for 1 solid week to build accurate data. Whey 4, eat a protein-rich bedtime snack, especially casein or Greek yogurt, to support overnight muscle repair. Whey 5, always have calorie-dense staples on your shelf so you never have an excuse to miss your numbers. The myth is that gaining weight requires force-feeding yourself past comfort every day. The truth is that calorie density solves the volume problem. A handful of nuts, a spoonful of peanut butter, a smoothie, or an extra drizzle of olive oil adds hundreds of calories without the discomfort of a second full plate. NHS 2024 guidance and Forbes health expert recommendations both emphasize calorie-dense whole foods as the sustainable path to consistent surplus adherence. This week we established the foundational rules: surplus is mandatory. The quality of that surplus determines your results. Skinny fat requires protein and compound training. Metabolism matters but is manageable. 3 to 500 calories is the sweet spot, and 2 grams of protein per kilogram daily fuels growth. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 8, we build your first complete bulking meal plan around everything we have covered this week.